So students, so we were discussing our first lesson. We are discussing our first lesson. Today we will discuss about estimation and or rounding of numbers. Okay, we will discuss about rounding of numbers. Earlier you got, but also this class we will just revise all this. Okay, before that you see here exercise 1.1 was remaining. So this one we will discuss now. After that we will do estimation. Okay, so first in exercise 1.8 what given you see a number, write the following number in the international place value chart and their number names. Okay, these numbers we have to write in international place value chart. Chart was just like this. I have given earlier ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. That means international place value chart. Okay, in that chart you have to put the number in every place. You have to put these numbers. Okay, that means suppose I am showing you ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, after that 100,000 is there. Okay, if you put this number, 2 will come is what? Ones place 2 will come, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in what? Hundreds place. Again this 2 is in which place? Thousands place. 3 is in 10,000s place, and this 8 is in 100,000s place. Okay, like this you have to put all this number in the chart. Okay, after that you have to write the number name. Number name I have told last class we have discussed all this. Okay, so this one what? 832,000. This is thousands period. How many thousand? 832,000 and 432. Okay, this one we have to write in words. All this we have discussed now. Okay, so now B number you see here. B number how to do I will show. Okay, how many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? Okay, make a lakh. So first we will write 1 lakh here. 1 lakh we will write. Okay. After that, how many thousands? Okay, so in 1000 how many zero is there? 30. Okay, 30. That means from this lakh we will cut 30. How many zero is there? That much zero we will cut from here. Okay, again what remaining? 100. That means 100 thousands, 100 thousands make a lakh. 100 thousands make a lakh. Like this you have to write. First this number we will write, whatever given that number we will write, and from there this tens or thousands or lakhs, that one how many zero is there, that one we will cut. Next you see third number, how many lakhs make a crore? How many lakhs make a crore? For that we will write 1 crore first. 1 crore. In 1 crore how many zero is there? 7 zeros. Okay, in 1 crore 7 zeros are there. And how many lakh? How many lakh? In 1 lakh how many zero is there? 5 zeros. In 1 lakh here you see 5 zeros are there. Okay, so from this 1 crore 5 zero we will cut. This 5 zero we will cut. Again how many remaining? 100. That means 100 lakh, 100 lakh makes 1 crore. 100 lakhs makes 1 crore. Okay, like this remaining you have to find. Second number and fourth number you have to find. Sixth number you see, sixth number, how many hundreds make a lakh? How many hundreds make a lakh? Hundreds and lakh. So first we will write 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. How many hundreds? In 100 how many zero is there? 2 zero. From here 2 zero we will cut. What is remaining? 1000. That means 1000 hundreds. 1000 hundreds make a lakh. Next you see number you see, write the following numbers. 1 less than 1000. 1 less than 1000 is what? 999. 1 less than 10,000. That means 9,999. 1 less than 1 lakh. That means 99,999. Okay. So next this 3 you have to do. 4, 5, 6 you have to 4, 5, 6. This 3 you have to do. The number what given you see here. How many thousands are there in? How many thousands are there? Here you see 34,000 is there, 48,000 are there, and here how many thousands? Okay, so ones, tens, 100,000, this up to here 349,000 are there. 349,000 are there. Here 62,000 are there. Here 98,000. Here how many thousands? Here in 1,000 up to 300 place we have to leave. Up to 100 place we have to leave, and remaining is our that much 1,000. How many thousands are there? Ones, tens, 100, 70,132. This much thousands. This much thousands are there. Okay. So up to 100 place we have to leave, and remaining is our answer. This remaining is our thousands. Okay. Next one is here, how many lakh are there in? Okay, here 56 lakh are there. Okay, here 9 lakhs are there. Here 31 lakh, 82 lakh, here 4 lakh. Next, third number, how many 10,000s? Okay, how many 10,000s are there? Here you see before 10,000 which place is there? Thousands place. So in case of when we find 10,000s, then up to thousands place we will leave, and remaining is our answer. So how many? 13 10,000s are there. 13 10,000s are there. Okay, so next B number, you see second number, here B number 7,632. Here how many 10,000s are there? 0, because only up to thousands place it is given here. Okay, so here 10,000s place how many? 0 10,000. Here how many up to thousands place? 1 10,000 is there. Yeah, up to thousands place we have to leave. Up to thousands place we have to leave. What remaining? 1, that means 1 10,000 is there. Okay, here how many? 2. Here how many up to thousands place we have to leave? 10 10, that means 10,000 are there. Okay, here in F number you see how many 10,000 are there? Up to thousands place we have to leave. This 4 we have to leave, and remaining is our answer. That means 5,643 10,000 are there. Okay, so next we will discuss about rounding of numbers, that means estimation. Okay, why estimation is necessary? You see here, because it makes our calculation easier and faster. Okay, and next it provides an approximate value. This one you have to remember, it provides always an approximate value. It do not provide exact value. Okay, whenever you round off a number, it will provide approximate value, not the exact value. Okay, first rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, so whenever you round off a number to the nearest 10, you see here which place we will see? First in ones place, digit in ones place we will see. Okay, digit in ones place. If the digit in ones place is 5 or more than 5, okay, if the digit in ones place is 5 or more than 5, then we will move to the next tens. We will move to the next tens. If digit in ones place is 1 2 3 4 or 0, okay, 0 will also come here. 0 1 2 3 4, then we will move to the previous tens. For example, you see 58 we have to round off to the nearest 10. So which place we will see? Ones place we will see. Okay, whenever you round off to the nearest 10, before near tens place, which place coming? Ones place. So we will see ones place. In ones place 8 is there. 8 is what? More than 5. So that's why we will move to the next 10. That means after 50, 60 is there. Okay, next 44 you see in ones place 4 is there. 4 is what? Less than 5. So we will move to the what? 40. That means nearest tens is what? 40. 35 you see in ones place 5 is there. Okay, that's why we will move to the next 10. That means 40. Okay, so next you see like this, rounding off to the nearest 100. So whenever you round off a number to the nearest 100, which digit we have to see? Before 100's place, which place coming? Tens place. Okay, so if the digit in same way, if the digit in tens place is what? 5 or more. Okay, if the digit in tens place is 5 or more, then we will move to the next 100. Okay, if the digit in tens place is what, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means less than 5, then we will move to the previous tens. For example, you see here 545. 545 you have to round up to the nearest 100. So which place we will see? Tens place. In tens place 4 is there. 4 is less than 5. So we will move to 500. Okay. So next this one you see 655. So in tens place 5 is there. Okay. That's why we will move to the next tens place. Okay. Next hundreds place. That means after 600, 700 is there. Okay. Next this one you see in tens place what is there? 5. So that's why after 400 we will move to 500. Like this, rounding off to the nearest 1000, rounding off to the nearest 1000. So when we round off to the nearest 1000, which place we will see? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. That means before thousands place, which place coming? Hundreds place. So we will see the digit which is in hundreds place. Okay. So if the digit in hundreds place is 5 or more, then we will move to next thousands place. We will move to next thousands place. Okay. If the digit in hundreds place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then we will move to the previous. We will move to the previous thousands place. For example, you see here 2730. Here you see 2730. We have to round off to the nearest thousand. Okay. So which place we will see? This hundreds place. In hundreds place, what is there? 7. 7 is what? More than 5. So after 2000, 2000 is there. So we will move to next 1000. That means after 2000, 3000. Okay. So next you see this one 3490. Here in hundreds place, what is there? 4 is less than 5. So we will move to this 3000. Okay. We will move to this 3000. Okay. Some examples given here. Round of the following numbers. Okay, round of the following numbers. 87 to the nearest tens. So first to the nearest 10 we have to round off. So you ones place, in ones place 7 is there. So that's why after 80, 90 will become. 249 to the nearest 100. So we have to round off to the nearest 100. Which place we will see? Tens place. Or 100, and that means hundreds, tens place we will see. Okay. So tens place 4 is there. In tens place 4 is there. Okay. 4 is less than 5. That's why you will move to the previous 10, that is 200. Okay. Next you see third number you see here 355 to the nearest 100. 355 in tens place 5 is there. So we will move to the next hundreds place. Next this one 345 to the nearest 1000. So in hundreds place what is there? 4. 4 is less than 5. So we'll move to previous 1000, that means 3000. Now exercise 1.9 you see round up the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay. Here this one what will become? 180. Okay. Nearest 10 we have to round off. In ones place 8 is there. More than 5. 180. This one is what? 60. This one 70. Then this one what? 50. This one 30. Okay. So next you see round off to the nearest. What number can be rounded to the nearest 10? 2. That means what? Which number we can round off to? First one you see 140. 140. That means which numbers when we round off we have to move to 140. So you see here list you have to make. First one, if you write 135. 135 if you round off you have to write what? 140. After that 136 you have to round off as a 140. 137, 138, 139, 140. Okay. After that 141, 142, 143, and after that 144. Okay, so after 144, if you write 145, then we will have to round off to the 100. If you round off to the nearest 10, it will become what? 145. If you write, when we round off 150, it will become, okay. But we have given, they have given here at 140. Okay, so that means these numbers when you round off, we will get what? These numbers when you round off, then you will get 140. Okay, next you say 200 given there. Okay, so 200 means 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 201, 202, 203, and 204. These numbers if you round off, then you will get what? 200. Okay, so next you see round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100 we have to round off. Okay, first one you see what given? 1289. Okay, to the nearest 100. So to the nearest 100 we have to round off. Which one will see? In tens place what is there? 8 is there. So we will move to the next 100. 8 is more than 5. So up to next 100 is what? 1300. Okay, that means 1300. Here 1200 is here. Next 100 is what? 1300. Here it is 535. In tens place what is there? 3 is there. 3 is less than 5. So it is 500. Okay, 500. Okay, so you see here next D number you see. List the numbers that can be rounded to the nearest hundreds to. Okay, so 1400 given. Okay, 1400, when the which numbers if you round off you will get 1400. You see 1350. Okay, 1350 if you round off you will get what? 1400. After that 1351, 1352, 1353. Okay, all these up to will come 1400. Again 1400 is also will become, after that 1410, 1411, 1412, up to 1420. Okay, 1430, 1440. Okay, 1400 up to 1449. Okay, up to 1449. Whenever you round off you will get what? 1400 you will get. Okay, after 1449 what will come? 1450. If you round off 1450 you will get what? 1500 you will get. Okay, 1500 you will get, because why? This tens place is what? Tens place will become 5 here. Okay, so up to this much, this number, that means from 1350 to 1449. How do you have to write this one? This one answer you have to write from 1350 to 1449. Okay, next E number you see, round off to the nearest 1000. Round off to the nearest 1000. Okay, here this number you see to the nearest 1000. Whenever you round off to the nearest 1000, which place we have to see? Hundreds place. Before 1000 place, hundreds place is there. So here in hundreds place 5 is there. Okay, that's why we will move to the next 1000. That means after 13,000 what will come? 14,000. Okay, so like this you have to do. Next F number you see what given? List the numbers which can be rounded to the nearest thousands to. 24,000 given. Okay, 24,000 will come from where? 23,500. From 23,500 it will start. Okay, so from 23,500 if you round off you will get 24,000. Okay, like this it will come up to where? 24,499. Okay, so from this number to this number you have to write like this. Okay, from 23,500 to from up to 24,499. Okay, these numbers if you round off you will get 24,000. Okay,